I have string name equal James with a capital J. In memory, I've drawn a little visualization where I've taken the variable name and the string object James, and I drew an arrow from name to the object James to show that name is going to store a reference to James. When I create string name2 and I set it equal to James, with strings, the compiler is not going to create a new object here. It's just going to say that name2 is referencing the same object as name, and the arrow from name2 is going to be drawn to the same object. When I create name3, it's a totally different string. It's James with a lowercase j, and so a new string object is created with the name James with a lowercase j, and name3, that variable will now reference James with a lowercase j, and the arrow will be drawn between them. When we use equal equals, we're actually checking to see if the variables are referencing the same objects. We visualize this by looking at the arrows. Are the arrows pointing to the same object? When we do dot equals, we're looking to see if the content of the objects are the same. So name equal name2 is actually evaluating whether or not these two reference the same object. In this case, because of the way that strings work, name and name2 are referencing the same object, and this will evaluate to true. Name dot equals name2 will also evaluate to true, since uppercase James compared to itself will be true. When we look at name equal name3, we're looking to see if name is referencing the same object as name3. Since the arrows are drawn to different objects, this will evaluate to false. Name dot equals name3 also evaluates to false, since uppercase James is not the same value as lowercase James.